Exploring the world of birds, understanding bird aviary. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bird aviary. This term might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. We'll break it down together and make it easy to understand. Let's dive into the world of birds and aviaries. An aviary is a large enclosure for confining birds. Unlike bird cages, aviaries are often larger and allow birds more space to fly and live comfortably. So, when we talk about a bird aviary, we're referring to a spacious habitat designed specifically for birds. These structures can vary in size, from small aviaries for home use to large ones found in zoos and bird sanctuaries. There are different types of bird aviaries, each serving a unique purpose. 1. Home aviaries. These are smaller and are often used by bird enthusiasts to keep pet birds. They can be placed indoors or outdoors. 2. Zoo aviaries. Larger in size, these aviaries are found in zoos and are designed to house a variety of birds in a more natural, open environment. 3. Sanctuary aviaries. These are used in bird sanctuaries and rescue centers, providing a safe and natural habitat for rescued or endangered bird species. Bird aviaries are crucial for several reasons. Conservation. They play a significant role in the conservation of endangered bird species. Education. Aviaries in public spaces like zoos educate people about different bird species and their habitats. Rehabilitation. For rescued birds, aviaries provide a safe space to recover and live comfortably. If you're interested in building a bird aviary, here are some key considerations. Size and space. Ensure there's enough space for the birds to fly and exercise. Safety. The aviary should protect the birds from predators and harsh weather. Environment. Include natural elements like plants and branches to mimic the bird's natural habitat. I hope this video helped you understand what a bird aviary is and why it's important. Remember, aviaries are not just large cages. They're carefully designed habitats that provide birds with space, safety, and a touch of their natural environment. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.